Let's talk about one of the simple yet powerful constraints in SQL, the default constraint. So, what is it? The default constraint is used to provide a predefined value to a column if no value is given during a data entry. It ensures data our table never has missing or meaningless value. Let's understand with a real life example. Imagine you are filling an online form for event. If you don't select your city, the system might automatically assign as your Mumbai default city. Similarly, when you create a new voter ID, the result is by default is saved as active unless you specify otherwise. And that's exactly the default constraint does. It fills in the blank with a preset value. Let's see a quick example. Create a table as employee. Here I'm just giving a default value as Mumbai. Now, if we insert only employee ID and name, the city column will automatically take the value Mumbai. In short, default save time by filling common value automatically. Default prevent null when the user forgot to enter something. Default keeps data consistent across the table. So always remember that check constraint is for rules but default constraint is your autofiller. That's the power of default in SQL. So please keep it watch our previous videos on constraints. Thank you.